This video can also be used to assemble the dining, counter, and bar height chairs in the traditional garden and Chippendale collections. Begin by removing the cover off the dowel screw of the right arm. Insert the dowel screw on the right arm into the pre-drilled hole in the right side of the chair assembly and twist clockwise until tight. Flip the chair upside down and insert two 1 3/4 inch bolts through the inside of the seat. Repeat these steps to assemble the left side of the chair. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.